Sound effects YouTubers on the His Master's Voice label. Aeroplanes Airliner. Let's have a little spin. Oh, looks like it might be a bit dish, this record. Well, let's see how we get on with it. Okay, I'm going to stop it there because I need to find out what's causing the noise. I suspect it will be something like a splodgy finger mark, but I will have to investigate that tomorrow in the daylight. But I'm seeing something that looks like, yeah, I shall check that out. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see if I can clean this record up and come back to it another time. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.